Hello friends, in this video, I'll talk about a powerful range of diamond blades for working with highly reinforced concrete. These blades can easily handle tasks of any complexity. The Monolith range of blades is divided into two types. Monolith Speed. They have an increased working speed and are designed for manual or stationary equipment with mandatory cooling. The segments of these blades are attached to a metal body using laser welding, which ensures smooth operation in various conditions. Monolith Forse is perfect for tackling complex tasks with highly reinforced concrete. The segments are attached to the metal body using laser welding, German equipment from Dr. Fritsch, which increases the lifespan of these blades by 5 times. The Monolith series blades are available in diameters ranging from 300 to 600 mm. Fritsch, which increases the lifespan of these blades by 5 times. The Monolith series blades are available in diameters from 300 to 600 meters. They are perfect for large-scale work and on various types of equipment. Please note that when working with the blades from this range, using cooling is mandatory. Do you want to learn more about our products? Subscribe to our page, leave comments, or reach out to our company.